Register to Goodkidz parent account. Open Safari from the child or teen iOS device and go to www.good-kidz.com. Login using your Goodkidz parent account. In the child device registration page, provide necessary information to create a new child device. Click Pair and install the management profile. To manage the managed devices, login into Goodkidz parent account from your iOS app. Select the child whom you wish to manage. Click on the block button to block all the apps except the always allowed applications. The apps will be hidden from the home menu of the child's or teen's device. Click on the grant button to allow all the apps except always blocked apps. App Master allows you to categorize the apps and manage them separately. This option is available for premium subscribers. To subscribe, click on the subscribe button. To categorize a single app, swipe left on the app and click on the Always Block or Always Allow or Scheduled button. Web Filter allows you to block a website with a keyword. This restricts the child or teen to browse those websites. By default, adult content is filtered. The app is free and very low cost subscription per month. Now available at Google Play Store and App Store.